is Muskan. I read in 11th class. My school name is Government High Secondary School, Kanashirkal. Today, my topic is stress management. Stress management is a wide spectrum of technique and psychotherapies aimed at controlling a person's level of stress, especially chronic stress, usually for the purpose of an end for the motive of improving everyday functioning. Stress produces numerous physical and mental symptoms which vary according to each individual situation factors. This can include a decline in physical health as well as depression. The process of stress management is named as one of the key to a happy and successful life in modern society. Life often delivers numerous demands that can be difficult to handle, but stress management provides a number of ways to manage anxiety and maintain overall well-being. There are four common types of stress: time stress, anticipatory stress, situational stress, encounter stress. Time stress. You experience time stress when you worry about time or the lack thereof. You worry about the number of things that you have to do and you fear that you all fail to achieve something important. You might feel trapped, unhappy, or even hopeless. Common examples of time stress include worrying about deadlines or rushing to avoid being late for a meeting. Anticipatory stress. Because anticipatory stress is further based, start by recognizing that the event you are dreading does not have to play out as you imagine. Use positive techniques to imagine the situation going right. Situational stress. You experience situational stress when you are in a scary situation that you have no control over. This could be an emergency. More commonly, however, it's situations that involve conflicts or a loss of status or acceptance in the eye of your group. For instance, getting laid off or making a major mistake in front of your team are examples of events that can cause situational stress. Encounter stress. Encounter stress revolves around people. You experience encounter stress when you worry about interacting with a certain people or group of people. You may not like them or you might think that they unpredictable. Encounter stress can also occur if your role involves a lot of personal interaction with customer or clients, especially if those groups are in distress. For instance, physical and social workers have high rates of encounter stress because the people they work with routinely don't feel well or deeply upset. This type of stress also occurs from contact overload when you feel overwhelmed or drained from interacting with too many people. Thank you.